In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block channels on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting to block a channel on YouTube, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to your YouTube app. Once you have opened up YouTube, you'll be on obviously your own page. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for my YouTube channel. Once you have found the YouTube channel you want to go ahead and block, what you can do is simply select it, and then obviously you will be on their channel. And from here, what you need to do is go to the three dots in the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click those three dots, as you can see there's an option for block user. If you select block user, what that will do is it will bring this up here. So blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos that you've uploaded. So if you're happy with that, all you simply need to do is click on block. And then once you do that, that YouTube channel will then be blocked. So that's how you can go ahead and block a channel on YouTube.